This security camera, shaped like a light bulb, is not just smart, it also tracks motion within a 355 degrees range up to 5.2 m away. If something's amiss, it triggers a siren, and you can watch the live feed via video streaming to your smartphone. It features built-in two-way voice communication and is compatible with Alexa. You'll need to pay $56 for one. Installation is hassle-free too. All you need is a free E27 plug. Want maximum comfort while watching new Tech Zone videos? Consider this electric rocking chair. It rotates 360 degrees and lets you adjust the angle from 90 to 135 degrees. Plus, it comes with USB ports for charging your favorite gadgets. And that's just a part of what the chair can do. As you can see, the price tag of $430 is completely justified. The Duun Times Gate clock has a sci-fi vibe, almost like it's from the future. Inspired by cyberpunk, it has 5 LCD displays, each 128 pixels squared. This clock supports Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and voice assistants like Amazon Alexa. You can showcase various things on the screens, from weather forecasts to stock prices. The price for the clock is $130. In the US alone, damage from different kinds of water leaks totals an estimated $13 billion annually. In comparison, spending $30 doesn't seem like too much, and that's exactly the price of the mowing flow sensor. It continuously monitors for leaks and notifies owners if one is detected. For added protection, mowing and flow sensors can be complemented with a special system to automatically shut off the water in case of a leak. Here is another option from Yeelight. As you see, this cube lamp is modular and can be fully customized to your surroundings. Don't like the preset patterns? Build your own ones in the app. No problem. When those lights don't dance to the music beats, the lamp may double as a watch. Rise and shine, Sleeping Beauty. Time to wake up and join the world of the living. Allow me to introduce you to Nature X, the smart desk controller that doubles as your personal assistant. Don't let its small size fool you. This little gem is the latest and greatest model for CES 2023. Don't look there, that's just a model with a few buttons, a knob, and a touchscreen. You'll be able to control every aspect of your life with ease. Not only will it wake you up and control the lights, but it'll also open your garage door, remind you to buy groceries, give you the weather forecast, and even start your car with the touch of a button. You can activate one of its smart scenarios, like leaving home and sleep. And if that's not enough, you can even control all your other smart devices with a single clip. Even if it's Tesla. Want the robot to learn a new recipe? Just cook the dish right in front of Molly, and voila! You can order all the ingredients you need delivered straight to your door in bespoke Molly containers, or choose fresh ingredients and prepare them for the robot yourself. Since that robotic kitchen will definitely cost me an arm and a leg, maybe I should start saving some more money. Your kitchen is the heart of your home, especially when you have the Samsung Family Hub Smart Refrigerator. This high-tech kitchen gadget lets you look inside your fridge from your phone or with the big display on the door. Order groceries, find recipes, and do so much more. In fact, the fridge comes with an upgraded SmartThings widget to control your smart home devices from one place. You'll love all the preloaded features, making it easier to manage your busy household. It even lets you see who's at the door and monitor other rooms. Best of all, you can add items to your grocery list with your voice and get laundry and dishwasher notifications. Not to mention, you can ask the fridge to play music or turn on the video recipe on YouTube or just a football match. Spin's creators are confident that this innovation is groundbreaking beyond any floor fan they've created. A technological wonder with many features and options, Wi-Fi and voice control, Alexa and Google support, 120 degrees horizontal and 105 degrees vertical travel, 6 modes, and 8 speeds. Despite its capabilities, Duun produces only 25 dB of noise, so it's quieter than a whispered conversation. Additionally, the timer ensures the device automatically turns off if the soothing air lulls the buyer to sleep. Duun is available for purchase at $91. This eco-friendly air cooler can be used as an evaporative cooler and an air humidifier. When the user adds water to a special tank, Kilo's evaporative cooling technology quickly reduces the temperature of incoming warm air, creating a refreshing cool breeze. And in winter, for example, it is enough to add water and set a special mode to turn the device into an effective air humidifier. Kilo stands out for its quiet operation, energy-saving mode, and portability. The price of Kilo is $159.